Hi, once again, it's your counselor. Today we have an interesting topic to talk about. 7 powerful benefits of using raw garlic. According to research, shows that garlic can cure about close to 400 diseases. And one which garlic cannot cure can also prevent those sickness and then those diseases. Because I want my audience to grow longer so that they can have time, they can get the energy to watch their counselor all the time. That is the reason why mostly sometimes I used to bring you the health tips like today's one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it, let everybody knows the reason why your counselor today is bringing this program. At the end of this program, we will know the purpose, the benefit, and then the medicinal side of using raw garlic. And mostly, we use garlic to prepare foods, stews, and then sometimes some people will put even water and then take it. But today, we are going to demonstrate how we can use raw garlic. Using raw garlic can make it work faster than cooking it. Sometimes cooking garlic takes off some of its power. So let's have one of the demonstration and then how we can chew raw garlic, and after that we will know how to go about this program. This is garlic. This is garlic. Sometimes this is how garlic looks like. Yes, in Ghana here, this garlic now costs 2 Ghana cedi. In dollars is almost 35 cents or 40 cents. You can peel one like this. Just plug one like this. If you take it, the garlic is in the form like this. This is a whole garlic. I have taken one. This garlic is in its raw stage. A raw stage. And then this is a whole garlic. I have taken one. This is a raw one. So, those people who are strong can take even half of this one I have taken from a whole bunch of the garlic. Just peel it. Sometimes you can have even there is sometimes a scale on top of or around some of the garlic. So it's like this. So those people who are not strong can peel this small one. This is the small one. And then this is the medium one. And this is the biggest one. Those people who are used to can take a full like this. But some of us who are not strong can take even half of this one. So let me do some of the introduction. Let me take half of this, and then after that, I'll take water in addition. So let me take it. This is in its raw stage. Let me take water in addition. After taking this, After taking this, after this demonstration, let me put the garlic and let's continue the benefit of this garlic after taking it raw stage. Please follow this instruction and then let's see your sickness can go after this program. Okay, taking this raw garlic, 1, prevent cancer, any form of cancer. Garlic have medicinal properties which always fight against cancer, either prostate cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, and any form of cancer, either throat or whatever. Garlic can do justice to these cancers. Let's go to the second benefit. The second benefit of chewing or using raw garlic can reduce high blood pressure. Mostly in old age, you see our parents and our fathers will be having problems in high blood pressure. According to research or according to doctors, shows that chewing raw garlic helps a lot and always helps those people who have high blood pressure. Let's go to benefit number 3. Chewing this raw garlic or in any stage, some people can blend it in a blender and after that they will mix it with water. Chewing raw garlic or taking it in a raw stage can also boost your immune system. Your immune system which always fights against diseases and makes your body always strong. That is how garlic can help boost your immune system so that you can stay healthy and always watch your counselor. Let's go to benefit number 4. According to research shows that garlic have antibiotic properties in it, and we know some of the antibiotic their works and the way it works in our body. Antibiotics normally fight against bacteria in which we find inside our body. Some of them, like having sex with somebody who have syphilis and gonorrhea. Sometimes taking garlic can also cure after further treatment in hospital. After that, take garlic as your favorite food all the time. Let's go to the next point. It also improves your performance as a man. And because now the economy is so hard to extend that people cannot now have even a sound mind in sleeping. So most of men are now impotent. Those people who are not impotent are not even strong in bed. So as a man, garlic can also help you to improve more in your performance as a man. Let's go to the last point. Using raw garlic can also help you to bring down your cholesterol level all the time. It's your counselor, Senior Counselor, on Senior Counselor channel. Today, thank you for watching your counselor. Let's go all over and then summarize the whole point I made. The first benefit is garlic prevents cancer, any form of cancer. It reduces high blood pressure. It also boosts your immune system. It also has antibiotic properties which fight against bacteria. The next point is also improve the performance of men who are sleeping and they are not performing their duties. And if you are a man, you know what I'm talking about. It also reduces your cholesterol level. Thank you for watching your counselor. Our next episode will be an interesting one again. Thank you very much for watching your counselor. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it, let everyone know this benefit, and then my audience and those people who are ready to watch me will benefit from this cancer awareness, and then the uses of raw garlic can also help my audience to live longer. God bless you all. Bye bye.